From handmade to machines, the rise of America's first factories. In the late 1700s, most goods in the United States were made by hand. People worked in small workshops or at home, producing tools, clothes, and everyday items slowly and carefully. But everything began to change with the rise of factories. One of the key figures in this transformation was Samuel Slater. In 1790, he built the first successful water-powered textile mill in Rhode Island. Using designs inspired by British machines, his factory could spin cotton into thread much faster than human workers. This marked the beginning of large-scale industrial production in America. Soon, more factories appeared across New England. One of the most famous examples was the factory system developed in Lowell, Massachusetts. These factories introduced a new way of working. Instead of skilled artisans making entire products, work was divided into simple tasks. Workers operated machines, repeating the same actions all day. This system made production faster and cheaper, but it also changed people's lives. Young women known as Lowell Mill Girls worked long hours in textile factories. They lived in company housing and followed strict rules. Factory life was very different from farm life. The noise of machines, long working hours, and dangerous conditions made work difficult. But factories also created new opportunities. They produced goods in large quantities, lowered prices, and helped cities grow. Over time, factories expanded into other industries: iron, steel, and machinery. By the mid-1800s, factories had become the backbone of American economy. The rise of the first large factories didn't just